The next thing we will study in the topic of control statements is the if else statement. We have studied that if you want to write the if statement, then what will you do, that you will write if, and then in the round bracket you will write the condition, and under this statement you will write over here block of statement in which you can write all the things you want to execute when this condition is true. What if you want to also write something when this condition is not true, that piece of code should execute? In simple words, if this condition is true, then this statement should execute. But what if this condition is not true, then there should be some code statement that should happen. Like if this condition is true, red LED should be on. But if this condition isn't true, then green LED should be on. So over here, we can do that by writing else, and under this else you can again write curly braces and add block of statements over here. So over here what will happen, that the controller will first check that if this condition is true or not. If this condition is true, the controller will execute this block of statement, and if this condition is not true, then what will do, that whatever the block of statement written under the else will be executed. So what will happen if this condition is true? If this condition is true, only this block of statement will be executed, while the controller will skip this portion in which the else portion will be skipped. So you should keep in mind that the control, when we write if else statement, this is called if else statement. When we write if else statement, either the if condition is executed or the block of statement written in the else is executed. If condition is only executed when this is true. If this isn't true, then only else will be executed. So one of the block of statement from both either the if or the else will be executed. Both the block statements written in the if statement, if condition, and in the else condition will not be executed at the same time. So let's check this. Let me comment this so that, as you know, that comments do not take any part in the execution of the code. Similarly, if I write that if x is let's change the operator. We have studied these operator in our previous videos. Let's say if x is equal to y, then I will write digital write pin number 13 high. So what will happen, that it will check if x is equal to y, then it will write it will give a 5 volt or a high level to pin number 13. So over here pin number 13 is connected to red LED. In this case our red LED will turn on, and in the else we can write that if in the else we will write that the pin number 12 will be at high level. So if this statement is executed, then green LED will turn on. So let's save our work. Over here let's see what will happen. We have written an if else statement. In the if else statement we have first written that if x is equal to y, then the pin number 13 should be high, the red LED will be turned on. If this isn't true, that x is equal to y is not true, then else statement will automatically be executed, and this will turn on the LED at pin number 12, that is green LED. So let's simulate. Click on this button and let's check what will happen. You can see that green LED is on because in this operator s is equal to y, we have studied in the videos, it will check that both the values should have, both the variables should have the same value. Over here x is 10, y is equal to 50, so 10 is not equal to 50. That is why this condition is false and it's not executing these statements in this location. While as this statement is not true, so it will automatically, the controller will automatically execute the statements written in the else condition, else statement. So in the else, the pin number 12 is high, so that is why the controller has turned on the green LED. So let's stop the simulation and let's give y a value of 10 and let's save this. Let's run the simulation. Now you can see the red LED is on, green is off, because as x is equal to y, both are equal, 10 is equal to 10, that is why this condition is true. When this condition is true, this statement will be executed, while the else statement will not be executed. So we have developed a concept, have developed an understanding that in the if else statement, either the if statement will be executed or the else statement will be executed. If condition is true, then else will not be executed. If condition is false, then else will automatically be executed.